You're thinking about an old friend and suddenly they text you. You're struggling with a problem and just when you feel lost, the perfect solution appears from nowhere. Or perhaps you're deeply worried and out of the blue, someone's words, even a stranger's, give you the exact reassurance you needed. Sound familiar? We often call these coincidences. But what if they're not random at all? What if these daily synchronicities are actually God's personal invitations, subtle signs that reveal His presence in the fabric of our everyday lives? In this journey, we will uncover how Islam guides us to recognize these moments, not as chance, but as deliberate divine signs, windows into a deeper connection with Allah.